Let's make some bakery style oatmeal cookies, and these are going to be plain because they're for me, not for a customer this time. Inside this bowl is brown sugar, organic sugar, and 1 tablespoon of unsulphured molasses. And you might say, why molasses? Because it's an inverted sugar and it helps retain moisture, which contributes to a more soft and rich texture. So let's get this started. Let me bring you in so you can really see it. Okay, now let's put our butter. And this is cold butter straight from the fridge. It is just in cubes. I like to bake with cold butter. I never use softened butter in any of my cookie recipes. And it's almost like the consistency that I'm looking for. I don't want it creamy and fluffy. Find a spoon rest with a spatula. That's perfect. And we're going to add the eggs one at a time. And I want the egg completely combined before I add the additional egg. In this bowl, I have the freshly milled flour, oats, baking soda, potato starch, because I do not use cornstarch at all, and I have salt, cinnamon, and a little nutmeg. And now I'm going to pour this mixture in here. Okay, let's spread the bowl down. And then I'm going to cover it with a kitchen towel and just let it stay here so it can hydrate, because freshly milled flour is a thirsty flour and we want it to be fully hydrated. So perhaps maybe 15 minutes, but of course I'm going to put it in the refrigerator because I don't want my butter to melt. And this is what it will look like. So into the fridge it's going. The mounds of cookies are ready to go into the refrigerator to completely set up. And once they're set up, then I will bake them.